Today, we will practice useful English at beautiful Goshikinuma Ponds.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying nature and travel English together.
We will see colorful ponds, walk through a forest trail, enjoy local food, and relax at an inn.
Goshikinuma is famous for its mysterious colors and peaceful Urabandai scenery.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English by the beautiful ponds in Fukushima. We finally arrived in Urabandai.
I was really looking forward to seeing Goshikinuma.
The air feels cool and fresh here.
How do I say tanoshimi ni shiteita in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That is a very useful phrase for travel.
The forest around us looks peaceful.
Yes, it already feels like a special nature trip.
I want to see the first pond soon.
Let's start from the entrance of the trail.
Great. I am ready to walk slowly. This must be Bishamon-numa.
The water looks emerald green.
How do I say mizu ga emerald green ni mieru in English?
You can say, the water looks emerald green.
The water looks emerald green.
Excellent. That phrase fits this pond perfectly.
The color is deeper than I expected.
Yes, and now Bandai looks beautiful behind it.
This view is very peaceful.
I want to take a photo here.
Good idea. This is a perfect first stop.
Let's enjoy the color for a moment. The trail is easy to walk.
Yes, the forest path feels calm.
How do I say aruki yasui in English?
You can say, it is easy to walk.
It is easy to walk.
Great. That is useful when talking about trails.
I like the sound of birds and leaves.
It makes the walk feel relaxing.
The trees make nice shade too.
I can walk slowly here without getting tired.
Let's keep following the path.
Yes, I want to see the next pond. This pond has a different color again.
Yes, the colors change from place to place.
How do I say iro ga kawaru in English?
You can say, the color changes.
The color changes.
Perfect. That is an important phrase for Goshikinuma.
Some parts look green, and some parts look brownish red.
It feels like nature is painting the water.
This is very mysterious.
I like how every pond has its own character.
It makes the walk exciting.
Let's look carefully from different angles. This blue color is amazing.
It almost looks unreal.
How do I say shinpiteki in English?
You can say mysterious.
Mysterious.
Good. This pond is very mysterious.
The blue is bright, but also gentle.
The forest around it makes the color stand out.
I want to remember this view clearly.
Me too. It is one of the highlights today.
The more we walk, the more beautiful it gets.
I agree. This trail is really special. This viewpoint gives us a wide view.
Yes, Benten-numa looks bright and open.
How do I say Nagame ga hiroi in English?
You can say, the view is wide.
The view is wide.
Excellent. That sounds simple and natural.
The pond color looks different from here.
Yes, the light changes everything.
This is a great place to take a break.
I want to stay here for a little while.
Me too. The scenery is very calming.
Let's enjoy the quiet view. There are small boats on the pond.
They look fun on such colorful water.
How do I say buto ni noritai in English?
You can say, I want to ride a boat.
I want to ride a boat.
Great. That is a useful travel phrase.
The pond feels different when we imagine being on the water.
Yes, the view from a boat must be beautiful.
I like peaceful activities like this.
Me too. It matches this place well.
Let's take a few more photos before lunch.
Good idea. The light is perfect now. I am getting hungry after the walk.
Me too. Let's try some local food.
This restaurant has a nice mountain atmosphere.
What do you recommend here?
That is a very useful phrase.
How do I say nani ga osusume desu ka in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use it at any restaurant.
I might try soba, mountain vegetables, or a local dessert.
All of them sound perfect after a nature walk.
Travel feels even better with good food. The light is getting softer now.
The evening forest looks beautiful.
And everything feels calmer now.
The colors of the ponds must look different in this light.
I want to come back again.
How do I say mata kitai in English?
You can say, I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Perfect. That is a great travel phrase.
Goshikinuma left a strong impression on me.
Me too. It was colorful, quiet, and mysterious.
This has been a wonderful day. Today was full of beautiful colors.
Yes, the ponds were especially memorable.
I loved the emerald green water of Bishamon-numa.
Me too. Aonuma looked mysterious and bright.
The forest trail was peaceful and easy to walk.
And the local lunch was delicious.
I learned a lot of useful English today.
Yes, and the scenery helped us remember the phrases.
Fukushima has so many wonderful places.
I would love to explore more of it someday.
This trip made me feel refreshed.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Sure, I'm ready.
I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
The water looks emerald green.
The water looks emerald green.
The color changes.
The color changes.
It is easy to walk.
It is easy to walk.
I want to ride a boat.
I want to ride a boat.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Thank you for joining our Goshikinuma English lesson.
We practiced useful travel English by the beautiful ponds in Fukushima.
Goshikinuma gave us colorful water, a peaceful trail, and unforgettable views.
I hope this lesson made you want to visit it too.
Please repeat the phrases and use them on your next trip.
Slow practice will help your English grow naturally.
Let's keep enjoying English little by little.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.